Rating your drawings, part 8. Medyo mahaba yung star, 7. Rate ko to ng 8.5/10. Nice try, baby girl. It's a 6. 6.5. Parang stained glass, 8/10. Mahaba yung paa, maliit yung kamay, 6. Ang cute! Para silang magkapatid, 7.5. It's a 7. Paano mag-drawing ng star? O, asan yung star? 1. 7.5/10. Amazing. Perfect. Nice technique. 10/10. Merry Christmas din sa'yo, Sabrina. Ang score ko sa'yo is 8/10. Ang galing niyo magsulat, ba't ganun? I-star ka ng Pasko ko. Wow! Ano ako, starfish? Thank you, and I will give you a 7.5/10. 7.5 ang score mo, RJ. It's a 6. 6 ka din, Daniel. Ano to, 5 star? Amazing. 6/10. 7/10.